Here we have the all-new carbon fiber cold air intake for the new Z. It's a well-known fact that more cold air equals more power. Here at Z1, we have formulated a great option for you new Z owners with our beautiful looking carbon fiber air intakes. So for all you VR30 guys, as you know, we do have our Q series intakes which look very similar. However, we do have some main differences for the new Z and its body shape. Mainly being the location closer to the core support, which helps draw in more cold air than counterparts that we've offered in the past. One of our first goals to improving power was removing the factory corrugated air inlets. We've gone to a smoother silicone system which allows for no air intake turbulence. Like all of our kits, we come with brand new hardware, so you don't have to worry about losing that bolt in the engine bay. Everything's here ready to go for you. No need to be reusing every bolt and nut out of your factory airbox. The filters use high density media, providing the best filtration and airflow possible. Our carbon fiber boxes not only look great in the engine bay, but it will protect from some of that heat soak that you might see coming in the summertime. I've personally driven a new Z with these air intakes, and I gotta say, they sound great. It's not too intrusive in the cabin, but you definitely can hear those Garrett turbos spooling up. And I think this is a great option really for any Z owner. The thought and engineering that's been put into each one of our products, this is not just a reused kit. We've really thought through to the angle, to trying to draw in as much cold air as possible. Our engineers have thought of just about everything. So not only are you improving the look of your engine bay, better throttle response, but you're also seeing more horsepower from your vehicle. We've dynoed this one and we've seen some really nice results just out of stock turbos. As you begin to upgrade your Z more and more, you'll find that these intakes do even more work, giving you the best power possible. These cold air intakes are available now, today. So be sure to add these to your cart and take your brand new Z to the next level. I'm Z1 Chris, we'll see you next time.